Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Urdu accent and pronunciation course. This is Tariq, and today I'm going to teach you three ways to say goodbye in Urdu. There are three ways in Urdu you can say goodbye in Urdu. So we say goodbye, but in Urdu we say Khuda Hafiz, Allah Hafiz, Alvida. So there are three words: Khuda Hafiz, Allah Hafiz, Alvida. Now I'm going to read one by one, and you have to listen carefully. First, Alvida. Where we use Alvida, we always use in film, we always use in poetry, but we seldom use in speaking. We mostly use in poetry, poems, and in movies. So al vida, al vida, al vida. So first alphabet: alif, lam, waw, dal, alif, ain. Al vida, al vida. It means goodbye. This is the first way to say goodbye in Urdu. This is the most common way to say in Urdu goodbye. So Allah Hafiz, Allah Hafiz, Allah Hafiz, Allah Hafiz, Allah Hafiz, Allah Hafiz. Alif, lam, lam, he, Allah Hafiz, he, alif, fe, zoe, Hafiz, Allah Hafiz. Okay, this is the second way to say goodbye in Urdu, Allah Hafiz. Third way, this is the third way we say goodbye in Urdu, Khuda Hafiz, and this is also most common. You will hear in movies, films, and you will hear anywhere you go, you will hear this word goodbye, Khuda Hafiz, Khuda Hafiz, Khuda Hafiz. Khuda, khe, dal, alif, Khuda, Hafiz, he, alif, fe, zoe, Hafiz. So this is really good way to learn Urdu pronunciation. Learn Urdu with Tariq Aziz, and I'm going to teach you whatever you want to speak in Urdu. So please stay with me, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share my video with your friends. Allah Hafiz, take care, bye bye.